Hey everyone! Welcome back to English Podcast with FTJ. I'm Jennifer, and I'm so happy you're here today.
Hey guys, I'm Jack, and today's topic is one I really love. When you feel tired, don't give up.
Yes, because sometimes we all feel tired or unmotivated, right? Maybe you don't feel like studying, or you just want to rest all day.
Oh, totally. I've had so many days like that when I just think, oh, I can't do this today.
Yeah, we've all been there. But today we're going to help you find a little motivation and practice some natural English at the same time.
That's right. We'll share some easy phrases and real expressions that can help you stay positive, even when you're feeling down or tired.
So you'll not only feel better, but also speak English more fluently and naturally.
Exactly. And remember, even listening to this podcast is a small step forward. You're still learning, still improving.
Yes, that's such a great way to see it. Every small step counts.
So let's do this together.
All right, everyone, get comfortable, grab a cup of coffee or tea, and let's begin our episode. When you feel tired, don't give up.
So Jennifer, let's talk about it. What can we do when we feel tired and don't want to study or work?
Good question. I think the first thing is don't be too hard on yourself.
Yeah, that's so true. Sometimes we get upset because we're not doing enough, but that just makes us feel worse.
Exactly. So instead, we can say something like, "It's okay, I'll try again tomorrow," or "I'll just do a little bit today."
Yes, even a little bit counts. Sometimes we think we have to do everything perfectly, but progress is progress, no matter how small.
That's right. One of my favorite phrases is one step at a time.
Oh, I love that. It's such a simple but powerful reminder.
Yeah. When you feel tired or low, just say to yourself, one step at a time. It helps you keep moving without pressure.
And you can also say, I've got this. It's a short, strong phrase to remind yourself that you can do it.
I love that too. It sounds confident and positive. Like, hey, I can handle this.
Exactly. Sometimes just saying it out loud changes your energy.
True. Words are powerful. When we use positive English expressions, they don't just help our language, they help our mind too.
Yeah, and that's why today's episode is perfect. We're learning English and learning motivation at the same time.
So, everyone listening, if you're feeling tired today, don't worry. Just repeat after us. I can do it. I've got this. One step at a time.
Yes, say it with energy.
That's the spirit. So, Jennifer, what about those moments when you really want to give up? You know, when everything feels too hard. Ah, yes, we've all been there. Sometimes you study, but you don't see results, and you think, what's the point?
Exactly. I've felt that many times, not just in learning English, but in life.
Yeah, and that's when you need to remind yourself why you started.
Oh, I love that. Remember why you started. It's such a strong phrase.
Right? It helps you reconnect with your goal. Maybe you wanted to speak confidently, get a better job, or travel. Whatever it is, that reason can give you new energy.
That's true. I remember when I started learning another language, I felt lost sometimes. But I told myself, I'm doing this for my future self.
Oh, that's beautiful, Jack. And it's so real. You're not doing it just for today. You're doing it for the person you're becoming.
Yes, exactly. And here's another phrase I love. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Ooh, that's a strong one.
Yeah, it sounds tough, but it reminds you to push just a little more.
True, but also, it's okay to rest. You don't have to quit, just take a break.
Absolutely. Rest is not the same as giving up.
Right? Sometimes a short rest, A walk, a nap, a cup of tea can bring your motivation back.
Yeah, it's like charging your phone battery. You don't throw it away when it's low, you recharge it.
That's such a great example. We all need to recharge sometimes.
So if you feel like giving up, just tell yourself, I'm not stopping, I'm just recharging.
That's perfect. Let's say that again for everyone listening. I'm not stopping, I'm just recharging.
Yes, say it with confidence.
You sound like a coach now, Jack.
Yeah, maybe I am. But really, motivation is something we build, not something we wait for.
That's so true. It's like a muscle. The more you use it, the stronger it gets.
Exactly. So don't wait to feel ready. Just start small, even when you're tired.
And remember, progress, not perfection.
Yes, because even if you move slowly, you're still moving forward.
That's what matters. Keep showing up for yourself one step at a time.
And that's what this podcast is all about, helping you stay positive, keep learning, and never give up.
You know, Jack, sometimes motivation doesn't come from big things. It comes from small daily habits.
Yeah, that's true. What kind of habits do you mean, Jennifer?
Well, for example, just listening to a short English podcast every morning, like this one.
Yeah, that's a good one. Yeah, even 10 minutes of English each day helps your brain stay connected to the language.
Exactly. And it doesn't have to be hard. You can listen while you're making breakfast, walking, or getting ready.
Right. Sometimes people think they need an hour or 2 hours, but really, consistency is the key.
Yes, just a few minutes every day is better than 2 hours once a week.
Totally agree. Another small habit, you can speak to yourself in English.
Oh yeah, I do that too sometimes. Like when I'm cooking, I say things like, now I'm cutting the vegetables, or time to make coffee.
Yeah, exactly. It sounds funny, but it really helps your brain think in English.
And it's a great way to practice without fear. No one's judging you, it's just you and your thoughts.
Another good habit is to set small goals. For example, I'll learn 3 new phrases today.
Yes, small goals make it easy to stay motivated. And when you reach them, you feel proud, even if it's something simple.
Yeah, that's such a great feeling. That little, yes, I did it moment.
I love that. And when you feel that way, your motivation grows naturally.
Exactly. So the secret is, don't wait for motivation. Build it step by step with small habits.
Yes, because when you do small things every day, they become part of your routine.
And once it's a habit, it's easier. You don't even have to think about it.
That's how people stay consistent, not by pushing too hard, but by creating little habits they enjoy.
Well said, Jennifer. Small habits, big results.
I love that line. Let's say it again. Small habits, big results.
Yes, say it with us, everyone. Small habits, big results.
That's your English and motivation boost for today. Okay, Jennifer, let's be honest. Sometimes things just don't go the way we want. Oh, yes. Maybe you study hard, but you still fail a test. Or maybe you try to speak English and someone doesn't understand you.
Exactly. And in that moment, it's easy to feel like giving up.
But that's when your words really matter. The way you talk to yourself can change everything.
Yeah, like instead of saying, I can't do this, you can say, I'm still learning.
Yes, that one's so powerful. I'm still learning. It shows you're growing, not failing.
Another one I like is, it's okay to make mistakes. Because really, mistakes mean you're trying.
Exactly. I always tell my students, if you never make mistakes, you're not learning fast enough.
That's true. Mistakes are part of progress.
And when you feel lazy or tired, you can say, I'll just do a little today.
Oh, I love that one. Because a little effort is still effort.
Right. Even 10 minutes of English is better than none. It's about showing up, even when it's hard.
Yeah, it's like training your brain to say, I keep going no matter what.
Yes! Or another phrase you can use is, I'll try again tomorrow.
That's such a kind way to talk to yourself. It gives you space to rest, but not quit.
Exactly. You're not giving up. You're giving yourself a chance to restart.
I think that's so important. Motivation doesn't mean you never fall. It means you get up again.
Oh, I love that. Let's repeat that for everyone listening. Motivation means you get up again.
Say it with us, everyone. I get up again.
That's the spirit. Even if today is tough, remember, tomorrow is a new chance.
Exactly. Don't give up. Just get up and keep going.
That's right. And every time you do, you become stronger in life and in English too. So, Jack, now that we've talked about not giving up, let's talk about something that's just as important, staying consistent.
Oh, yes. That's the real challenge, right? It's easy to start, but hard to keep going every day.
Exactly. But here's a secret. Consistency doesn't mean being perfect. It just means showing up.
Yes. Even on days when you're tired or busy, just do something. Maybe review a few words or listen to one short English clip.
Right. Because even one small action tells your brain, I'm still in this.
I love that. And when you do it regularly, it becomes part of your life, like brushing your teeth.
That's true. You don't think about brushing your teeth. You just do it. That's what we want with English practice too.
Exactly. And when you stay consistent, you start to feel proud of yourself. You can say, hey, I'm improving.
Yes, that's when motivation grows naturally from small wins.
Here's some phrases you can use to keep yourself positive. Keep it up. You're doing great. Stay on track.
Oh, I love those. They sound simple, but they really lift your mood.
Yeah, you can even say them to yourself every morning. Like, hey, keep it up. You're doing great.
That's a nice way to start your day.
You can also use them to encourage others, like your friends or classmates.
True, because when you lift someone else up, you feel better too.
Exactly. Energy is contagious. If you share positive words, you get positive energy back.
That's beautiful. So, everyone listening, if you're trying to learn English or stay motivated, remember, keep it up, you're doing great, and stay on track.
That's your mantra for today.
That's hilarious. I love that. Your mantra for today.
Yeah. Short, positive, and easy to remember.
And if one day you fall behind, it's okay. Just start again. That's what staying consistent really means.
Exactly. You can always start fresh. What matters is you keep going.
Yes, because even small steps lead to big results. So, Jack, what about those days when learning feels boring?
Oh, yeah, I know that feeling. You open your book and think, oh, not again.
Exactly. But that's when we need to find our spark again.
Right. Sometimes you just need to change it up. Try something new, like listening to music in English or watching a short, funny video.
Yes, or maybe talk to a friend in English. Even a short chat can make it fun again.
True, because when learning feels fun, it doesn't feel like work anymore.
You can also reward yourself. Like, okay, after I study for 10 minutes, I'll have my favorite snack.
That works for me. I always say, study a bit, snack a bit.
I love that. Study a bit, snack a bit. That's a great slogan.
See? Learning can be light and joyful. You don't always have to push too hard.
Yes, sometimes being gentle with yourself is the best motivation.
Exactly. Because even when you feel tired, remember, you're still growing, still improving, still moving forward.
That's so true. Every small effort adds up. So if you feel tired, don't give up. Take a breath, smile, and start again.
Yes, you've got this. You're doing amazing. Even if progress feels slow, it's still progress.
And always remember, learning English is not a race, it's a journey.
A journey that makes you stronger, smarter, and more confident every single day.
So, to everyone listening, stay kind to yourself, keep learning, and keep believing in your dreams.
And when it feels hard, just remind yourself, don't give up. You're closer than you think.
Yes, you really are.